Okay, so here's the first step in making homemade rotisserie chicken. See, I already have most of it seasoned down. Got seasoned salt, garlic powder, black pepper, Creole seasoning, and onion powder. So, get back to y'all in a minute. Alright, next we got the sweet potatoes here. I'm gonna butter them up. That way the surface is soft. Alright, so now they are ready to be in the oven. And I already softened them up by boiling them, so it won't take long for them to cook. Put it in for 10 minutes. Yes. You guys season the green beans right here. We added the bacon to add the fat and flavor to it. Add a little salt, more zest to it. I add some onion powder.
That's the pepper.
Can't find a fork, so I'm using this spoon here. Mix up all the ingredients. Make sure you got a good stir and fry going on. Right here. And then add some water. That way it won't turn out all dry. And here are the results of the dinner. You got the homemade barbecue rotisserie chicken here, fresh baked sweet potatoes here, and fresh green beans ready for eating. Oh yeah, I could go. So there you go, guys. Just taught you some healthy eating here where you don't have to go out to KFC. So just follow the video and go from there. Alright, well here's the end result of the meal here. If y'all like it, like, subscribe, and follow. And I'll catch you guys next time.